Okay, good. This is cool. Dinosaur Island, we're here. La 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 la. Oh my goodness, this is so cool. A cave, what is this?
Let me get in here.
Oh my god, yeah. Where am I going, Sam? This is weird.
What? What is this? Oh, it's a cave. What?
This is like awesome. Now it's time for the dinos. This is weird. Let's get off this place.
No, don't end this yet. No.
I'm in the ocean drowning. This is weird. Okay. Run.
A yummy hamster.
Stop it. That's not. Oh no. Okay. Shabash, you literally just broke part of the setup.
I know, but
Shabash, hold it. I know, but it's not part of the thing. I have to get out of this place. Hurry. Run. Safe. Dinosaurs.
Yum.
Hurry. At least this planet, please save. The herbivore. This is strange. I should get going. I'm in the water. I have to go. I have to go get the egg. You forgot about the egg, Siavash. Let me go get the egg. Got it. Got it. Good, I got the egg.
Hey, how about this?
Okay, good.
How about there's a part that the shark comes right out of the air?
I came out of the ocean for nothing. I came to eat you, little hamster. Hey! Okay, got the egg. Come on. Came to get my boat to find my babies. Now this is the part where the babies are gone. Okay, good. Time to go home. So this is the part where the babies are gone. In the house. And then you have to go.
Oh, look. This is cool. I should bring this home to show my babies.
Okay. I'm home.
Everyone? Who's there? What?
There's nobody home. Where's my baby?
Where are my babies?
Huh? I need to get out here.
Oh, I need to go back to Dinosaur Island to get... And for some reason, I think I should, like...
Okay, grabbing this egg with me. Steamy boat. Oh, a temple. Let me go in here. It's just I know that's the fish, but yeah, that's what are you doing? I'm in the water. Help me, help. Get back to my boat. I have to get home to my baby. Fast. I'm home. She's home. I'm bring my egg home. Okay, good. In there, let me.
La.
Yay! Everybody's home.
But wait a second. I forgot to get my... I want to go explore Dinosaur Island again. Let's go do that again.
Okay. Let me go in my boat.
A cockerel! Yeah. I love it. Thump. Oh no, a tick! It's a tick! A tick is chasing after me!
Oh no, the land. Oh, a nice bush. I should go take this home with me for my baby.
Blah 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 blue blah blue kiki blue bag blue. Hey, la ballet.
Go on my ship.
Oh, I should bring this with me. I should bring this.
Can we go home? Time to go home.
When he goes home, say so long, dinosaurs.
Why?
So long.
So long,
Dinosaurs! Hey, I wanted to eat you first. I wanted to eat you first.
No, the end of the video ends.
The end. Video made by Cyrus and Sophie.
Yeah.
And Noise-Furo. This video, the hamster inside this video was named Noise-Furo. See you the next time. And if you liked this video, smash a hamster on the subscribe button. I mean, if you liked this video, smash a hamster on the like button. And if you want to see more videos, smash a hamster on the subscribe button. If you want to say something to us, you can go on the comments and send a comment to us. See you on the next one. The end. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Hope you have a great time.
Hope you have a great time hamster exploring.
Yeah, make sure you do lots of cool stuff with your hamster. I bet you'll love it.
Oh, not a hamster again.